In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide fields in Asana. If you've ever opened an Asana project and noticed that a field you rely on, like priority, due date, or a custom status, seems to be missing, don't worry. It's likely just hidden, and in a few quick steps you can bring it back into view. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account and give it a moment to authenticate and load your workspace. If you normally sign in a different way, that's fine. Go ahead and log in as you usually do. The goal is simply to get into your Asana home screen. Once you're in, open the project where fields are hidden. You can find it from your home view, your sidebar, or your recent projects list. Click the project to enter its main view. At the top of your project, look for the Options menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button labeled Options or under a small menu icon near the top right of the project. Click it, then choose Show/Hide Columns. This is where Asana lets you control which fields are visible in your current view. You'll see a list of available fields, both standard fields like Asana and due date, and any custom fields that have been added to the project. Find the field or column you want to unhide and toggle it on. As you switch a field on, it should appear immediately in your project's list. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the list view for the project and give the page a second to refresh. When you're happy with the columns you've brought back, make the change stick by clicking Save View. This saves your current layout so you don't have to retoggle fields the next time you open the project. In many teams, saving the view ensures a consistent look for collaborators, which helps everyone stay aligned. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If a field you're expecting doesn't appear in the Show/Hide list, it may not be part of the project yet, or you might not have permission to modify it. In that case, check with a project admin or confirm that the field exists in this specific project. And if your screen doesn't update after toggling, a quick refresh usually clears it up. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, revealed the fields you need, and saved the view so your layout stays just the way you want it.